the beginning. Called it. We knew that the right to be nice. Knew that the right to be us. We do what we gotta do to stay winning, winning. The fuss and the fights we'll keep and trust. And you make me wanna say, I love you better today than yesterday. Every day it's gonna play out the same. Ay, I love you better today than yesterday. Every day it's gonna play out the same. It's gonna play out the same. Growing as one, not growing apart. I'm sorry. Say what we mean, say it from the heart. From the heart. Wrinkles and grays, don't be alarmed. Because you say me the beautiful signs of our story so far.
Hi everyone! Welcome back to another vlog! And today guys, ayun pa rin, nag-organize pa rin po tayo ng mga gamit dito sa bahay. Medyo nakakapagod na siya sis, ano? Kasi, yun kasing mahirap kapag bagong move ka, yung hindi mo pa alam kung saan yung mga gamit mo. Unlike, kapag matagal ka na sa isang place, alam mo na ito yung permanent place ng mga bagay-bagay na to. And for now, we are still figuring out kung saan ba dapat tong mga gamit na to, ano bang pang-organize namin, and all of that stuff. So, ngayon, ang ginagawa ko is just the closet for now kasi naghahanap si Mac ng uniform niya kanina. Akala ko may uniform siya. Hindi pala kami nakapaglaba guys. Buti na lang may extra siya na uniform na hindi masyadong kakulay ng uniform niya. Ngayon yung gamit niya. Akala ko talaga nandun siya. Kasi nga, out of sight yung makagamit namin. Hindi ko alam na wala na pala siyang uniform. So ngayon, sabi ko, okay lang yan. Mag-aayos ako mamayang gabi sa mga sa mga gamit natin. Sa mga damit para, you know, para hindi na siya maging problema pa. Samahan niyo ako guys na mag-ayos ng mga gamit namin.
I was born under the sun, so I'm not so afraid of it. Made peace with all I've done, but that just wasn't enough. She's erection once or twice. Yes, I am ashamed of it. I try to keep my soul intact. What else could I have done? I wanna say, hey, oh, woman and I'm cold. Oh, I wanna go home alone. I wanna go home alone. Hey, oh, cooling on my own. Oh, I wanna go home alone. I wanna go home alone. It tasted like gold. Now that I'm older, wish somebody told you I don't wanna be friends no more. I don't wanna do the damn thing. Why we always gotta fight so much? Why we always stay angry? I don't wanna hide. No more second tries when you don't even try. I don't wanna do this damn thing. I wanna say, hey, oh, woman and I'm cold. Go home alone. I wanna go home alone. Hey, oh, cooling on my own. Oh, I wanna go home alone. I wanna go home alone. Gun, so why am I still craving it? Lost more than I have won. I think I'm out of luck. Ooh, my destiny is on the run, and I don't care for chasing it. I see how far I've come. I guess that wasn't enough. I wanna say, hey, oh, woman, and I'm cold. Oh, I wanna go home alone. I wanna go home alone. Hey, oh, cooling on my own. Oh, I wanna go home alone. I wanna go home alone, alone.
So, ayun guys, medyo nakapag-ayos naman na ako sa mga closets namin. Tapos dito sa kwarto na to, dito sa spare bedroom, ayan, medyo nakapag-ayos na rin. Medyo mas maayos na siya compared from the previous days. So, yun, madami pa talaga nga ayusin dito sa bahay guys. Sobrang hindi ko alam paano ba kami mag-organize. Kailangan pa namin bumili ng mas madami pang organizers, ganyan. So, madami pang pagod, madami pang gastos. So, tingnan natin. Hindi natin yan gagawin ng minsanan. So, step by step tayo. Mahirap naman, 'di ba? Kasi may mga pinaglalaanan din ako na pera ko for other stuff. Ayan, mas may exciting tayo na gagawin sa mga susunod na mga linggo. So, yun. I hope you enjoyed watching this vlog, guys. Sobrang naglinis lang talaga, nag-ayos lang talaga, nagtupi and all of that. Nakakapagod talaga yung mag-move. Pero, wala pinili natin to. As much as I want to, I don't wanna buy more stuff. Kaya lang, madami pa kaming kailangan dito sa bahay, guys. So, abangan nyo yung mga ibang bibilhin pa namin. Hindi ko alam, bibili pa kami o hindi na. Pero, I don't know. Ayoko magsalita ng patapos. But anyway, guys, thank you so much, guys, for watching this vlog. And proceed na po tayo sa shout out for this vlog. Hey everyone, thank you so much at narating nyo naman po ang part ng ating vlog na magsha-shoutout po ako sa mga nag-comment po sa ating vlog na Walmart and Sam's Club grocery haul for Balikbayan box. So, yung mga pinadala namin sa Pilipinas, yung mga na-feature dito, guys. Most of the stuff that we bought are pinadala namin sa Pilipinas. So, shoutout again kay Maray Diana. Sabi niya, favorite ko mga grocery shopping hauls mo, ate. Di pa ako nakakaalis ng Pinas. Dami ko na gusto ilagay sa Balikbayan box. Di bale, darating din yung time na ikaw din yung magpapadala ng box. Don't worry. Antay-antay lang. Huwag mag-give up. And then, shout out din kay Filipina Life Living in USA, Stella Marie's Vlog, Snowball, Renz Mia, sabi niya, can't wait na makagraduate na and makapunta ng ibang bansa. Ayan, by the way, Ilocano here. Ayan, nakaka-happy naman. May mga Ilocano nang nanonood. Ayan, guys, sabi ko ulit, don't give up. Talaga. Antay-antay lang talaga sa everything has its own time. Ayan, so God's time is always the perfect time. Shoutout din kay Waki Stolen, Ria Mapanaw, Nurse Mia. Ay, nakikita ko yung mga post mo, sis. Dami mo ng gala. Shoutout din kay Daryl Bade. Daryl, ang aming neighbor sa Ilocos. Kumusta kayo dyan? And then, shoutout din kay Judith Evangelista, Roach, Ibrahim Hailil, Jinky Tagalog, Bolbolon, kay Brent's Jello. Sabi pala ni Bolbolon, hi po, anong courier po ang news nyo for the delivery ng Balikbayan box? Atlas, ayan. Kay Brent's Jello, kay Sis GC Odero, ang aming neighbor dito. Ronnie Caberto, Jella Alex, Nomi Milante, kay Rosemary Sumulong, and that's it. Yun, guys, thank you so much everyone for commenting. Sobrang thankful kami na nagko-comment kayo, guys, kasi nasi-share siya sa ibang tao, though you don't actually share it directly to other people, but yung pagko-comment nyo po ay natutulungan nyo yung algorithm na i-share niya sa ibang mga tao din yung videos namin. So, thank you so much everyone. Sobrang nagpapasalamat talaga ako. And yun, guys, if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please do subscribe. And if you haven't followed me yet on my Instagram and on my Facebook, the name is Joy of Mia. You follow me on my Facebook. I'm more active in there. Tapos, nag-upload kami ng mga mini vlogs. Ayan. So, baka I-upload ko na rin siya sa Instagram, pero kapag less than 1 minute siya. But yun guys, try natin na more uploads for the mini vlogs sa mga clips na hindi siya napapasali sa mga longer vlogs natin dito sa YouTube. But anyway guys, thank you so much everyone for all your support, and I hope to see you guys on my next one. Bye!
Afternoon sun starts to peek through the clouds. We take the back streets to avoid the crowds. Waltz over sidewalks and twirl in the breeze. She'll catch me if I get weak.